We are at the tire place today, and this is Peterson's Tires in Blanco, Texas, and all he had were tires from China, and he was able to order Goodyear Endurance trailer tires for me because, as I'm showing you here, and I'll pop in a quick picture, these are light truck tires, and it didn't even have camper tires on it. So I don't know about that, why they would put those on here. But anyway, we're going to get it done and I'll show you the process. Oh, and side note, I am going to have them check to make sure there's not a balancing problem and that the axle is good. Okay, I'm at the tire place. I might have to do a voiceover, but the guy said that this tire is very, very loose. Like he can shake it back and forth, which is not good. So I've got a trailer guy looking at it and the tire people looking at it. So I don't know if you heard me back there, but that's loose. He said they're supposed to be a little bit loose back and forth, but not as loose as that one on the right. He said there's nothing to prop it up on. There's no axle, or it's all plastic under there, and the whole jack just drops, the whole camper.
Watch that one.
Oh yeah. The guy said, just swap the tires, they'll even back out. Shit. Oh my gosh. I didn't know they could do this with it still connected to the truck. Interesting. I didn't know they were supposed to move a little bit. Huh. Okay, they've got both sides propped up. Trouble getting it off. It was such a tight fit. Huh. Well, we can take that plastic thing off. Can't get the tire off, so he's going to let some air out. That's a tight squeeze.
There was fine, so I just put a couple extra pumps in there.
Okay.
It goes through the back there.
Oh, good.
Greases
Thank you. Okay, the grease is fine. All right. Thank you. You got the...
See that?
Oh, what is that?
It's a cap that goes on there. It's supposed to go like flush all the way around.
Oh my God.
There's a zerk in there.
Yeah.
So this goes on and it pumps grease to the back there.
Oh.
That's a little too loose.
Really?
I don't like it that loose.
Wow.
I'll screw you away.
Wow.
Give me a sec. I'll get some stick.
Okay. See how loose that was? That is crazy. Wow.
I don't have my tools, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I didn't bring my truck. I brought the little car.
Oh.
This thing is overkill. They're supposed to be, but when you can do that,
Yeah. Not good?
not good.
No bueno?
Now it's better.
Oh, okay.
Now you take it and it's tight.
But how did it get that loose?
Maybe the guy that did it last time didn't put it on all the way.
RV place.
Yeah. Hand tight while loosening. While spinning. And then back it off towards hand tight.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Hand tight.
Oh,
Spins
wow.
like a charm and no rattle.
Oh, man.
Put it 2 pumps, 1, 2. Spin it.
Oh. floppy thing?
Right there.
Oh, you got it on there.
It's
Okay.
already on there.
Okay, good deal.
Let me get a hammer and I'll tap
Good
that
deal.
on there.
Wow. Okay, I'm back at my camping spot, my mooch docking spot. And I don't know why I didn't get a video of them putting the other tires on. I felt like I was kind of being intrusive. I didn't want to get in their way too much, but here they are, Goodyear Endurance tires made in the United States. And they take, I think he said 70 pounds of pressure up to 80 pounds. He said if it gets too bouncy, I can take some out. But anyway, that is done. Thank you so much, Peterson Tire and Jay, the trailer guy. I hope I don't have any more problems with the tires now. Who knew that they weren't supposed to move like that? I sure did not. Okay, next up, we get the truck fixed. Talk to y'all later.